visit.
Thank you. Your Excellency, Mr. Rosy Akbar, Permanent Secretary, Dr. Korul Fulta, the Senior Official of the Ministry of Women, Children and Public Education, Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia to Fiji, the Senior Official of the Embassy of the Republic of Indonesia, respective all media representatives. A very good morning to all of us. Selamat pagi. Dula Penaka. The Minister of Women Empowerment and Child Protection of the Republic of Indonesia and the Minister of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation of the Republic of Fiji and the second joint technical working group on women empowerment, gender equality and child welfare and protection in Sabah on July 18, 2016 as a follow-up to the second joint technical working group held in Jakarta, June 11, 2015. The head of the delegation reaffirmed the commitment of both parties to strengthen the relationship and expand their cooperation in the field of women empowerment and child protection based on the principle of equality, mutual benefits, mutual respect, and mutual trust. Fiji has been a close and important development partner for Indonesia, with many common social and cultural similarities. Our cooperation with Fiji is built upon these characteristics. The two heads of the delegation exchange views and information on the policy and program of women empowerment, gender equality, and child welfare and protection implemented in each country. The meeting reviewed the realization of the activities in the year of 2015 to 2016 as stated in the agreed minutes of the first joint technical working group signed in Jakarta on 11 June 2015. In regard to that matter, both delegations identified challenges in implementing the previous programs, namely connectivity and budget constraints, and agreed to overcome these challenges by promoting closer coordination among related line ministers in both countries. Both sides also agreed to empower the existing contact point for further communication and stronger network. Indonesia and Fiji agreed to build closer cooperation on three main areas, namely women empowerment, gender equality, and child welfare and protection. This cooperation are carried out through 11 programs for 2016-2018, which consist of 4 programs in 2016, 5 programs in 2017, and 2 programs in 2017-18. Among others, first, training of gender responsive badger, second, training of bamboo, coconut shell, and seashell crafting and course operation. The next one, met with weaving training and workshop on poverty alleviation and women empowerment. The next one, rehabilitation program for children in conflict with the law. The next one, sharing of the best experiences on women and leadership and child-friendly schools with improved children with special needs. Next, training on elimination of violence against women and children, and training on products, packaging, and marketing for women in business. Aside from this meeting, the Indonesian delegation visit NCS and ED, business sector building, and Tukia violence-free community, Fiji women reigns for Ciputra success story, Queen Victoria School, Marco House and Seaweed Cultivation Farm. In the future, Indonesia and Fiji will cooperate in order to provide education for children with special needs and children-friendly schools in Queen Victoria School. Both delegation expressed their gratitude through the successful and fruitful conduct of the second joint technical working group in Suva, and looking forward for the next joint technical working group meeting in Indonesia in 2017. I wish you, all of us, good luck for the future, and thank you very much.
Your Excellency, Professor Dr. Johanna Yembise, distinguished guests, Indonesian delegation, our generous ladies and gentlemen of the media, thank you very much. Nisambula Vinaka, and a very good morning to you once again. To the Indonesian delegation, please accept our sincere apologies for the slight delay. I guess this is what we call Fiji time. And may I, from the offset, thank the government of Indonesia for this bilateral cooperation. This has a very significant bearing on the road to empower our Fijian women. Fiji, with a population of 900,000 on one hand, and on the other hand we have Indonesia with a population of well over 250 million. Our demography is different, our size is different, but I believe we can gain a lot from this mutual cooperation and friendship to make a difference for our people. I'm very much pleased with the way we are progressing in our areas of cooperation through our bilateral cooperation. The obligation in itself is taking account the principle of equity towards economic advancement, which we are hoping to see have impacts in the future. I'm indeed grateful to Her Excellency, Professor Dr. Johanna, and the delegation for coming to Fiji and being with us for this great meeting. And I'm very much excited, in particular, as my ministry is hosting this second joint technical working group. And this is in ensuring that the agreement we had settled is further facilitated through the South-South Cooperation Initiative. My ministry values the contribution of your government, Your Excellency, and through your Ministry of Women Empowerment and Child Protection, our collaboration will be further strengthened. Thank you very much. While there are good desires to strengthen the existing relationship between the Republic of Indonesia and the Republic of Fiji, I must say there has been continuous implementation of learned skills and knowledge transfer by women who are direct beneficiaries of this cooperation. Therefore, in strengthening the existing bilateral cooperation, there is willingness to reaffirm and strengthen cooperation in the field, as already mentioned, but I would like to repeat it once again. Exchange of technical assistance on the implementation of gender-responsive budget, bamboo crafting and preservation, coconut shell crafting and preservation, jewelry seashell making, mat weaving training for women in Papua, dialogue among religious, cultural and women leaders on women empowerment and child protection, joint workshop on poverty alleviation and women empowerment, training for rehabilitation program for women in conflict, for children in conflict with law, and of course sharing the best experiences on women in leadership. Added to that is our cooperation for the Fiji Women's Expo 2017. Child-friendly schools, which includes children with special needs, gender equality, focusing on the elimination of violence against women and children, women empowerment program in the field of training on product packaging and marketing for women in business. There has been demarcation of implementation dates, and I'm pleased to say that the 4 programs activities will be implemented for the rest of 2016, 5 for 2017, 2 other programs in 2017 and 2018. We have accounted for change in our new financial year and aligned the action plans to also fit your financial year. I'm sure that we will work very closely with unity to ensure that we execute the areas of cooperation that has been agreed to in this joint technical working group. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the government of Fiji is very appreciative to the commitment made by the government of Indonesia for their assistance, and it is through this gesture that our collaboration will bring about greater empowerment and better livelihoods for our women. We expect the exchange of learning and knowledge transfer in this cooperation. I look forward to seeing our achievements when we meet to reflect on the implementation review in the next Joint Technical Working Group in Indonesia next year. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being with us, and we have actually a fun-filled day ahead. While we are going to walk, we are also going to allow our guests to explore the Fijian hospitality as they witnessed yesterday. And Ambassador, thank you for your support as well, and I'm sure that Fiji has a lot to offer to our friends from Indonesia. We do appreciate, and thank you very much.
Outcome and considering the implementation work plan once a year. Considering the implementation work plan once a year on 27.
Thank you.
Thank you, Excellencies.